Hi, this is Presh Talwalkar. In this video, I'm going to teach you the lattice method of multiplication. Let's say you wanted to multiply 12 by 13. We'll draw out a 2 by 2 table, and we'll write the number 12 in the row and the number 13 in the column. Now we'll multiply the number in the column by the number in the row. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we add up the numbers diagonally. So this becomes, first diagonal is 6, then 2 plus 3 is 5, and our final diagonal is just 1. And that's our answer of 156. Let's do another example of 15 times 21. We'll draw out our table, but this time we'll actually draw in diagonals, so it'll be easier to add up the numbers. When we multiply the numbers, we want to write it as a 2-digit number. So 1 times 2 is 0, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 1 is 0, 1. And 5 times 1 is 0, 5. Now we add up the numbers diagonally. So the first diagonal is 5, the next is 1, the next is 2 plus 1 is 3, and the final diagonal is 0. So this is 0315, which we just write as 315. Let's do an example of 3-digit numbers. We need to draw out a 3 by 3 table because each of the numbers has 3 digits. We write the number 526 in the row and 321 in the column. Now we multiply each number in each column by the number of that particular row. The great part about lattice multiplication is you only have to know how to multiply simple things, your times table up to 9, because that's how you can solve for each box. Now we'll add up the numbers diagonally, and finally we make one adjustment. This 18, we need to carry over the 1, so 7 plus 1 is 8, and that gets us to our answer. We can also use lattice multiplication for polynomials. When we do x plus 2 times x plus 3, we write x plus 2 in the row and x plus 3 in the column. X times x is an x squared, 2 times x is 2x, x times 3 is 3x, and 2 times 3 is 6. We add everything together, grouping together the x terms, and we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can support me on Patreon to get rewards, catch me on my blog Mind Your Decisions, on Twitter at Presh Talwalkar, and you can get my books at Amazon.